Hello guys, welcome back. In this AWS video tutorial we are going to learn how we can create an instance and how we can get the basic information about the AWS, how it's going to work and how we have to manage this. So after that is this video, you have a domain name, kind of IP address, and you have a panel. Here you can start your instance or domain turn off, turn out, and all these things. We will learn how we can log into the login with the command lines and how we just set up the Amazon. So let's get started. So let's click on here. So I'm not going to tell you what is the cloud system and why we use this and what is the benefit of this. I'm not going on this going through all this shit. So let's click on here, click create an AWS account. Alright, so after that, if you don't have an account, it can be ask you some detail about, so you are like a normal sign up, but I just already have the account. That's me directly ask me this kind of roles. So what is my role? Whatever you want to put, you can put that, like software developer and whatever. Select the area, mobile application, web application, that's fine. And now click on the submit. And after the click on the submit, it is the hell. So he'll asking you that the launch Linux machine, storage of the data, and whatever you want to do here. So I'm just going to create a simple Linux machine first of all, because we need a setup there. Here we can install our all these things and all. So after that, just close that. Okay, he's going to tell you one by one step how you can go. Yes, he's give the screenshot also. So first of all, he's asking that click on here. I just click on the Amazon AWS console. Then here, let's see, here you can see that some instances is all. Maybe when you are going to click on here, you have the 0 instances on running and all. So just forget all these things. If you are coming on first time, just click on the launch instance. Alright, so here you can see that some kind of data. So first of all, Amazon give you the 1 year trial AWS access, so you can use it, but maybe there is some limitations, so you cannot use all these things, but there are lots of things that you can use. So first of all, just create a free trial eligibility, where you have to check that and select this one. And here going to ask that whatever you the instance type, so we are going to use the T2 micro because it's only free. And here you can click on review and launch. Alright, or you can go to the configuration, the next. So we are going to click on configuration. Let's see. Alright, so we are not going to configure, we just review and launch it. So after that, it will give you some details about what the configuration and all these things. And after that, let's click on the launch. Here you have to choose the key. So like going to create a new key pair. So the name is YouTube. Download the key. And after the downloading of this key, actually this is a very secure key, so you have to make sure that this is always be secure, otherwise anyone can access your account. So after that, just go to the home and here search the SSH folder. Where is the SSH folder? This is my SSH folder. So here we have to paste this key. And guys, if you do not have the SSH, then you have to install the SSH, and you don't need to install most of the time the Ubuntu, but if you need, then you can do that. Alright, then now just launch it, and it will taking this just some time. Alright, so now just go back here and we will create them. We just create the what we can say that the keys here, and now just click on the Mac and here he's telling that here where you have to install these keys and where we have to put these keys. So I just already told you that you have to install these keys on the keys on the very secure in the SSH folder, and he's telling the same thing here. Alright, so that's fine. Is there anything else we missed here? No, we do not missed anything. So, alright, so now just click on to the view instance. So now you are able to view the instance. This is my one is my previous, you can see that here, and this is just initializing here. So let's go on here, and you can see that, okay, connecting to the instance. So he's telling you how you can connect the instance. So this is on the window and this is for the web. So we have a Linux here, so let's see. Okay, it's initializing, it's take our time, we don't care about that for now. So just open your command line as he telling us. Alright, and after that we have to give the permission to our CSS code to 400 because this is very secure and we do not have to give the all permissions. So for that, just put this command and now go to the folder and oops, I have to put my key pair name actually here. So this is my PK name is YouTube with the capital T. And now you can see that we have a lock here, that means this is now secure file. Alright, now how we can connect with this instance now. So for this we have to go to our instance here, and you can click on the connect, and here he's telling that you have to go on there. You have to put the 400 permissions. After that you can this is my public instance. You can after the clicking on here, you can see that this is a public instance. You can directly go here if you want. So like I'm just going here, there is nothing. This is actually putting blank here, so you can see that. Alright, so after that alright, just connect here and write this thing to your terminal with that. And maybe he's telling that there is no directory with this file because there is some another path of your file. So just click on the properties and write this one path of your location, copy it and put it on the command. Just cancel it and just write here the path here, paste it here. You can remove the code source from here, just enter, and now right, so just click on the yes. Alright, public permissions denied, I don't know why. Alright, actually we have to put the slash also here, so now it will identify the file with the path, and it will take just some time. In this time we can go through with the another things, and after that he's telling the same thing from in the official tutorial also. We have to connect with like this, and now he'll just asking me for some things like all these things. So we just put the enter, that's RS keys, fingerprint, just he asked to us, you can see here, yes, no, and all these things. Alright, so now you can see that we have successfully installed our Linux machine AIM here. So now you can come here, and if you want to terminate this one, then you can terminate your account, or I'm sorry, instance. Like just select that one and you can terminate from here and restart, reboot, all these things. Here you have the all IPs. And guys, one more thing, this is when you are going to just install this and you are going to access this one, you are not able to access this. Why? Because this is not still configured, fully configured, because you have to create the security groups and you have to install your PHP, Java, whatever you want to install, and all these things, and you did not make the ports and all. That's why it's not going to. But after the configuration you will get this page. So in this video we are going to end up here, because in the next video we will learn there is just next step, version next. So getting a domain or your instance, no actually, all right. So he's not telling that what we have to do, but in the next video we will do the install the PHP, and we install the we can install the LAMP and Apache and MySQL, so that we can access all these things. We can create the HTML, PHP pages, whatever we want, and after that we will install the Git and all these things. So and for now, thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. And if you still have any kind of confusion, don't forget to put me in the comment box. Subscribe our channel, and you can find us on the Facebook page, and the link is given in the description box. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.